The Legion Rapier Weapons Battery. One of a number of similar designs utilised by the Imperium's armed forces, Rapier carriers are semi-automated tracked weapons carriers with on-board targeting systems and power generators. Designed to mount support weaponry too large and cumbersome for even the superhuman strength of a space marine to carry, the Rapier's relatively small size and mobility makes it a perfect support weapon both in defence and offence, where larger field artillery and armoured vehicles cannot go due to their size or weight. The most common armaments mounted on the Rapiers of the Space Marine Legions are quad heavy bolters and laser destroyer arrays for anti-personnel and anti-armour use respectively, while so-called thud gun multi-launchers are favoured for siege warfare and suppressive fire. More rarely, a Legion's tech marines will also use Rapier carriers as mounts for more exotic weaponry for special operations, such as the graviton cannon.